Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution, so let's tap on it. In this device we've got three different options, so 720p, 1080p and 4K. All you have to do is to simply tap on the option which you'd like to use. It will be immediately highlighted. Moreover, under the specific resolution you've got a different frames per second option. For 1080p you've got 30 and 60 frames per second, same I believe for 720p. For 4K, you've got only one, so 30 frames per second. So since the option is highlighted and it is also notified in this icon, it means that we just successfully changed the video resolution, and now your device will simply use it whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.